how to fix Minecraft lag easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Minecraft lag. If you want to fix it, all you need to do first just go to settings and then go to gaming. Now turn off Xbox bar, go to game mode, turn this on, and then click graphics settings. Now once you're here, turn on this one, and then before restarting your PC, just go to your desktop, right click on it, go to NVIDIA control panel. If you have an NVIDIA GPU, this method will work for you. First just click use my preference, move it to performance and click apply, and that's it. Now you can restart your PC, just restart your PC and try again, and you will find that your problem is fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.